Good morning. This is Frank with the Morning Quick Shot, brought to you by Trade Stockers and Ninja Pro Traders. Tuesday, July 11th, about 6:30 Central Standard Time. Let's jump right in this morning. See, we had open at 24, 23.75 right in here. Immediately pulled right back up to about 27.75, and then we just kind of trailed down last night to our overnight low at 21.75, just below market profile of 24.22 here, 48, about 50. Okay, so closing below that, this is going to become resistance. We might come back up to the open here just a little bit towards this 23.75. Not sure I'll make it, but we'll if we probably going to fail this and then turn around and come right on down to the top of this zone, which you can see was almost like a double bottle area between this 2025 and 1925 area this morning. If we can get down in here, look for a good bounce as we try to push back up, as buyers are probably trying to step back in here and push it back up towards this 2250 area. All right. Now, if we come up here and fail this after the retest, right up in this area, then we're probably going to head right on down and look to head down to this 2014 market profile number. And let me squeeze this together a little bit. I thought there was some, yeah, just a little bit over here. You can see we're starting to get in this area of consolidation over here. So it might be kind of a tough area, but this consolidation, if we can hold this 14 and stay in here, we'll probably consolidate a little bit. We might work our way back up. However, if we close below it, you've got to watch out as we start heading back for yesterday's open at 20. Excuse me. I'm sorry. This is the day before yesterday's open at 2409.25, and then the low of 2407.50. All right. Got to be real cautious of that. So if we fail that one, you're going to hit this obviously market profile at oh 07 and these zones here at oh 06, oh 04, and oh 03. We talked about those. To the upside, if the market moves to the upside this morning and just continues to breaks right back up, or we say we come down and hit this double bottom right in here at the bottom of the zone, get a good springboard and push our way back up through at least to the open to this 2375 area. Maybe test this area one more time, but we got to get through the 2250 again. Um, then we could springboard up and head right back into the overnight high, 2775, and maybe up to this 29 area again. A lot of resistance up here at this area, and then of course we got the zone at 2430. Going to get a pullback, probably somewhere around the 2775 again. And if the buyers have really stepped in, that's where we're going to get our big push. We'll push right up above here, get up to this about this 33 area, come back and retest the bottom of this zone to this market profile at 29, and then push our way up to the next level at 37. And we know from past that this 37 area is going to be really, really tough to get through. So I don't expect it to be more than the high today if we happen to go all the way up into there. I would suspect a lot more of yesterday, a little slow, a little bit of movement up and down, but not too much. We'll probably stay within a certain range. But guys, you just never know. That's why we look at the tops, where we're going to go to the high, where we're going to go to the low. All right, so let's take a look at market profile on a daily chart. Just back over here, you can see we did bounce off that yesterday. We talked about this. This was yesterday's candle, and now we're right back in the middle of this little wedge, flag, pennant, whatever you want to call this. We're right here between the 38.2 retracement and the 100% retracement, and it's 127 up in here. So we've just done a large balance area. Um, I know that seems like a big one, but it's really not. We're just gonna work our way back up, could touch this 30 area probably again at some point, and maybe we may even come back down and touch this 2410 and just keep working away till this market breaks out to one side or the other. Um, Obviously, way up here is way out of the reach where we thought we were headed quite early. So, and here's that 37 area, and we'll take a look at that at a different time frame. 235. If we look at this 37 area, look at this. Remember this? And then we came back down, all the way down. Now we've held this, and we're right back in this same channel, guys. We've got to hold this 22 to 29. I know that's about a 7 point range, but that's where we are. We got to watch the break above this and the break below this. Down to 14 is the next major one here, actually 16 to 14. And watch this, all right? That's our key areas for today. If you've got any questions, contact Frank at tradestalkers.com and have a great day.